Hey there, today I will show you how to use American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch. First, ensure your Nintendo Switch is powered on. Navigate to the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. You can find it on the home screen. If you are not already signed in, sign in to your Nintendo account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account. In the eShop, look for an option to enter code or redeem code. This is usually found on the menu on the right side bar. Since the Nintendo eShop does not directly support American Express gift card, you can use your American Express gift card to purchase an Nintendo eShop card from a retailer. These cards come with a code that you can redeem on the shop. Use your controller to enter the code from the Nintendo eShop card you'll purchase. This code is typically a combination of letters and numbers. After entering the code, confirm the entry and proceed to redeem the code. Follow any on-screen instructions. Once the code is successfully redeemed, the corresponding amount should be added to your Nintendo eShop account balance. While in the Nintendo eShop or within a specific game, you can use the balance to make it game purchases. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.